onto the stage, Professor C. N. Call. Just one sentence. He did not speak much. He just said one sentence. Look, if my son today were to pick between IIT Kharagpur, he was a professor of IIT Kharagpur. So if he were to pick between IIT Kharagpur and IIIT Hyderabad, I would ask my son to pick IIIT Hyderabad. So we still remember, because that was the aha moment for me. And I had no doubts about IIIT after that. I just went in, signed the registration form, completed all the formalities, and joined IIIT. And with me, out of the 61 people who were picked for admission, 50 people joined. One of the best rates.
Actually, 39 out of 39 on that day.
Yeah.
The next 11 came. 39 actually landed in the campus. All 39 joined.
Yeah. So I was very lucky. In fact, I feel I was very lucky to get my slot in there for admission. And then, come September 2nd, 1998, we came on campus, and it was stark different from the jungle, whatever I talked about. Most of the things were in place. And then, within 2 months' time, we got the latest computers with a configuration of Pentium 2, 128 MB RAM, 2 GB physical memory, and that was like 1.5 lakh rupees per PC. But still, that's latest state-of-the-art machinery at that point of time. Well, it's 15 years back, so we should accept it. It's still. So the classes, everything started. It went on really well, and come summer, most of us decided to stay back on campus. Of course, one of the reasons, apart from the serious stuff like projects, seminars, and LAN games, everything, of course, that was very serious stuff for us at the time, was that, a few of us, we really wanted to sell IIIT to the incoming batch. So the second batch, the third batch. So we stayed back on campus, and we used to spend enormous amount of time talking to the parents and telling them, look, whatever these professors are saying is true. This is what, we have seen it. Come and join us. Because we wanted, whatever we have seen, we want to just, share it with them. And I think, we have done an excellent job, or a decent job at selling IIIT to them and kind of converting them to join IIIT. Fast track, so one of the things, the biggest moments of joy personally for our batch, the founding batch, came on August 21st of 2001 when IIIT was declared deemed university. And I still, vividly remember, we were in the main corridor. Mr. Ajay Sane came and announced it. He was equally excited as we were. We were all jumping, and he was also jumping with us at that point of time. In fact, most of you probably don't know how much of effort, this team of governing council they put in. We have seen it for 3 years, how much effort they've put in to get the deemed university status right in time before we graduate. So we graduated, and we did really well. Most of the students went on to do masters and PhD, true to the IIIT's vision of research-based education. In fact, as the years progressed, we saw that IIIT has really reached the heights which we have never thought of. Personally, we also thought, at certain standards, IIIT will reach this level, but it has completely gone beyond our imagination too. And every time when I was in the US and when I was here, like when we were following the news, when we see, the IIIT students winning RoboCup or going for ACM programming contest and not just at the national level but winning laurels at the world level. We always used to feel good. I think we've taken the right decision. That the brand is really building and is going in the right direction. We are really happy. In fact, the most of the credit goes to the faculty members and sir, to all the faculty members here. We are very, very thankful to you for all the hard work that you have put in and guiding this school to the level it is. So at this point, I just wanted to say, so most of us we're talking about IIIT as IIITians. I just wanted to quote an outsider. So just a month ago, I was just I went to an event and I met IIT Gauhati student there, heading to Carnegie Mellon for his PhD program. It's just, this 2 months before he's leaving for his PhD program, and I asked him what he's doing for vacation. He said, no, I'm going to IIT to do a research internship. I said, why are you, anyways, you're going for a hectic program, you should take a vacation. He said, sir, you don't understand. So by the way, I did not reveal my identity as a IIIT alumni. So he said, sir, you don't realize IIIT has got some of the best research opportunities, and how can I afford to miss that opportunity? So I was so impressed to hear that from an outsider. It is not IIIT talking about IIIT, but somebody from outside talking about it. So kudos to all the members who made this happen. And I'm really proud to say I'm a IIITian. Thank you so much.